Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to set up two-step authentication and GDPR compliance for your Boma account. Two-step authentication is essential to web security. It immediately neutralizes the risks associated with compromised passwords. If your password was hacked, phished, or even guessed, two-step authentication would be the second gate of security. In short, knowing your password alone would be useless. Let me show you how to set this up. First, navigate to Settings, and then click on Two-Step Authentication. Here, use your mobile device to scan the QR code on screen. Once scanned, follow the steps on your authentication app. For example, Authy or Google Authenticator, to save it on your phone. Then, you will need to enter the authentication code provided by your app into Boma and click the Enable Two-Step Authentication. Now, every time you log in, you will need to enter the code from your Authenticator app to complete your login. Now let's talk about compliance. Boma's Terms of Service, privacy policy, and cookie notices are compliant with the new European Union data privacy law, known as the General Data Protection Regulation, also known as GDPR. Boma has a number of features to complement GDPR compliance. Firstly, if you are based in a European country, EAA specifically, we've enabled your GDPR compliance setting for you in your compliance settings. If you have GDPR compliance turned on, it will affect which contacts will be included in your campaigns. When you define your audience in an email campaign, any contacts who do not have a compliance setting will be excluded automatically. To ensure they are included, make sure each contact has a permission reason assigned. You can also turn on the compliance setting even if you are not an EAA or GDPR country. This can be useful if you require additional privacy protection, for example, the California Consumer Privacy Act in California. To turn GDPR compliance on, click on the Compliance submenu. Once in here, click on the toggle and then click Save. If you would like to learn more about two-step authentication and GDPR compliance, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or chat to us using the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.